In December last year, a stray dog suffered a terrible injury after a speeding truck ran over his hind legs. The VOSD SAW team reached the spot to find the poor dog wailing in pain. The dog was immediately rescued and admitted to Animal Rescue Trust Pune for treatment. While the vets were able to save one of his hind legs, the other hind leg had to be amputated. It took months for him to recover, but there was no way he could have survived on the streets. To give him a safe home and lifelong specialized care, we admitted Birju to VOSD. The sweet boy doesn't have to worry about the dangers of the streets anymore. He has all the space to move around freely and in complete safety. He likes to relax outside with Rani, who came to us as a paralyzed dog and now she can walk. Birju is on a nutritious diet for gaining strength and he loves eating. There was no way this poor baby could have survived on the streets in his condition. But under our care and safety, Birju will spend the rest of his life in peace.